crystal clear skin, brighten up your dull skin with aloe vera gel. Aloe vera contains so many nutrients in it, and that's why it firms up the skin texture. It provides that instant hydration to skin, and it is a great soothing ingredient for sensitive or problematic skin. It cures pimples and maintains skin elasticity. Also, it provides an instant healthy glow to skin, so if you use it as an instant remedy, you can get a very fresh, smooth, glowing skin in morning. Recipe: Toner: make a fresh aloe vera juice with real aloe vera plant and mix it with 1 spoon of rose water. You can also add 1 to 2 drops of essential oil. Prepare a thin toner and apply it with a cotton ball on all over your face. Prepare a thick aloe vera gel and add 1 to 2 drops of face massage oil to it. Apply this thick jelly on your face, just like a mask. Leave it for overnight, and rinse it in the next morning.
Thanks for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment below. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest video notification, so you never miss anything.